Hey guys, what is up today? I'm very excited because I finally got my first order Stormtrooper robot. Today is opening day for Star Wars in Hong Kong, and I got my robot today. It's really cool. I was actually going to go to Hong Kong and watch the movie, and traffic and a bunch of other stuff made it impossible for me to do that and get to work on time. Came to work early, found this little guy waiting for me. So without further ado, let's open it up. Alright, let's see here. Here's the front of the box. Welcome to the first order. A companion app. Great, I'm gonna have to download that. Cutting edge AR app experience, voice command, facial recognition, sentry patrolling capabilities. Mission mode, camera function. Okay, infrared sensor. Triple array microphone. Well, alright, let's go ahead and open this box up. And, that's kind of nice. It's so cute, it's so small. Oh my god. Look at that. It's teeny tiny. I don't know if I'm excited or sad about that. It is a very tiny robot with a little tiny blaster. Pew pew pew. Does that fit in the hand? Of course it fits in the hand. Does it have a thing to reach the trigger? Almost. Alright. What else is in this box? Nothing there. Oh, there's a little drawer here. This must be where all the stuff is, in the little drawer. Quick start guide. Let's see. Plug in the robot and charge it. Download the app from Google Play. Turn the robot on in the back. I'll switch back here. And then control it with your phone. Let's see. So it has a little port back here to charge, and then the on-off switch. It does not seem to have any power, which is a little sad. Legal guide. An adapter for multiple countries. Yeah, I've always wondered. So here in China, they have these plugs like this that are solid. And in the US, we have these plugs that have little holes in them. They're the same size. They fit into the same outlets. What on earth is the difference between these solid ones and these ones with the holes in them? If you know, leave me a comment and teach me, because I have no idea. And I think it's hilarious that I have two things that in my mind are pretty much identical. That's it! Wow, there is not much in this box. Alright, so I'm going to charge the robot, and I'm going to download the app, and come back and film some more. Okay, I don't know what, if anything, this thing can do without the phone app, so let's turn it on and check it out. I didn't put the gun there because I'm afraid that it'll get lost. It's probably going to drop out of its hand, the arms move, so let's see what happens. First time turning it on. It twitched.
My first operating number is...
I hope those aren't important. I need to write them down. Hello? Hello, Trooper.
My first operating number is...
Let's push the button on the back, see if that does anything.
My first operating number is... My first operating number is...
Alright, that's really annoying. So, yeah. Nothing doing without the app. And the app's still being reviewed by Disney according to UB Tech. So, a very cool yet somewhat useless toy. I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about the robot. As I said, it's got this little blaster. It does seem to have some different points of articulation. Here it has an elbow, shoulders, the feet seem to move a little. The legs don't move as much as I would think. Very little motion here compared to other robots that I've used from UB Tech. The head does seem to turn. You can see that there's a little camera here. There is, I believe, a sensor here. That could be just a light sensor or something like that. It looks like it has a speaker here. And around the back, you can see there's a charging light indicator. There's a button that does unknown things and a power switch. And since a full disclosure, have done some work with UB Tech before. I'm very impressed with their technology, and I think that they're a great company, and I love their stuff. You saw my Ninja Turtle video probably. So yeah, I'm very excited about this, plus I'm a big Star Wars fan, so I think this is going to be a lot of fun to have around the house. Hopefully my son will like it too. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about the robot that I can try to answer before I get the app. And as soon as I have the app, I will be back with a full-on walkthrough video to show you guys exactly what this robot can do. So take it easy, guys. I'll see you soon. And remember, you are awesome.